Thank you for joining me. This is Weatherman Andy Yagudayev, and as you can see, there's going to be some pretty cold weather Friday night. A low of 18 degrees in Central Park, 14 degrees in Poughkeepsie, 6 degrees in Scranton, 15 degrees in Allentown, 15 degrees in Reading, and 18 degrees in Harrisburg. 10 degrees in State College, 21 degrees in Pittsburgh, 18 degrees in Philadelphia, 12 degrees in Hartford, 6 degrees in Boston, and the coldest reading of all, minus negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit in Elmira, New York. Well, this is looking at the 12Z run of the Euro, but that shows much colder temperatures, as low as 23 in New York City and 30 in southern New Jersey. However, the current run that is showing temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s, so much warmer with this run than the previous one. So, as you can see right here comes the first storm. Be some freezing rain right here, as you can see. It's going to be below freezing here. Freezing rain, sleet. Orange is freezing rain. Yep. Orange means freezing rain right here. Green is rain. Blue snow. Pink is sleet and snow or sleet, snow, or mix. There, and then we have another storm. Just bring some rain, and then we're gonna have yet, I believe, a third storm that will come in later. So we're looking at the GFS right now. As you can see right here, as that Arctic front comes through, I can't rule out maybe snow squall might come through in the city. So in fact, I'm going to check the high resolution rapid refresh for tomorrow. There is an outside chance that a squall may come through tomorrow in the afternoon. There's that little squall I mentioned. Yep, outside chance. Looks like it might get pretty intense in Boston tomorrow. Let's see if it's going to be convective. There's definitely a chance that the squall might come through tomorrow. Because of NAM 3 kilometer. So let's take a look at the HRRR, what they're saying for New York City for highs and lows. Look at that already, 19 degrees, 9Z, 15. And this thing handles temperatures very well, by the way. 12 degrees, 14 in New York City. Look at that. Incredible. This is right over Manhattan, 14 degrees. Oh, looks like New York City might in fact hit a squall line. Look at that. Might. Because this is an Arctic front. This is not lake effect. This is going to be associated with the front itself. I'll wait for it to finish. Well, it looks like something is happening. I think it's that squall line again. Yep, I can almost see it right there. Yep. Looks like the worst of the squall is going to pass just to our east based on the winds. Right there. Or maybe even right through us. Looks like we're just going to get a trace. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. And just before I go, I'm going to give another forecast. This is another very reliable model. There's a lot of precip. Rain event. Possible snow event right here. Yep, definitely snow event. That's gonna be 2 rain events. It's like Boston might get some snow from that. Another rain event. And oh wow, an Arctic blast coming in. That's one heck of an Arctic blast. Wow. Wow, look at that. Negative 24 degrees, and all that's just going to be coming in. Look where most of the snow is going to fall according to the GFS, mostly in Appalachians. It's another very reliable model is the here it is, the Global Ensemble Forecast System. Very reliable model. Snow is going to come down from this model. Not much in the city. Most of it's going to fall, looks like, across the northern United States. I mean, but this is definitely going to increase a lot of the snowfall in the United States. Wow, this would be way above normal snowfall cover. This really happens. Looks like Wisconsin's going to get a pretty big snow event. Canadian now. There's that storm. Nothing too crazy, but I'm going to switch gears a little bit, talk about some volcanic activity now. And let's go to Viminov, to let me see if I'm going to pronounce it correctly. Vinaminov. Yeah, Vinaminov, okay. Let's go there. Wow, look at the seismo there. It looks really active now. Past 48 hours, yeah. Some bursts of activity here and there. 24 hours. But right now, this is actually the most active it's been in the past 48 hours. And if you go to Viminov, it's already just saying continuing lava fusion and minor plume above vent. And today, same thing. But they're going to change that forecast very soon. That continues. Might even say small explosions. Great Sitkin right now is back to normal status. So, a lot of harmonic tremors. Nothing too extensive right now, though. A couple big earthquakes in Indonesia today. One was right near Gamalama. The quake that they're talking about, that quake happened around, I believe, about 4 p.m. Yep, that was probably the quake, the 5.3. But I think it was really strongly registered in that area, so that's what's just so confusing. Large quake right near Costa Rica in just the past hour. 10 kilometers or strike slip. It's usually the depth of strike slip faults. So pretty sizable earthquake in Idaho. I believe along a fault line at Tucson near the fault. Oh, I'm getting really tired. And I got a math exam tomorrow. Yeah, and I really need some assistance with that. Completely non-volcanic. This is a subduction zone quake. Another subduction zone quake. This one's situated right in the vicinity of the Kikai caldera, which is right here. So this one is really, really close to Kikai. Yeah, this is bad. Because this is where Kikai caldera is located. And the fact that it's so close to the caldera only, like, so I don't think that's a threat because it's so deep. 18.3 kilometers. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.